Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Matt Bresky, coming to you from the Intuitive Mind Solutions and the Rick Clinic Eindhoven, and I'm here with Dr. Adrian Lorraine and Joshua Badewines. And Dr. Adrian works at the Rick Clinic as well, and Joshua is
a counselor in practical psychology.
Okay, and he's also working with us in consultation, helping our clients here. So in current situations that are happening around the world, we are here to share with you. We've created a new online program for you guys to experience, and we've been doing live center point meditation workshops for the last year in live workshop events. And now, due to these circumstances that is currently happening in the world, we have created an online experience for you to take part in. Okay, this is bringing our live center point meditation workshops to the online platform. This is something that needs to be done at this moment because right now the world is wanting us to distance ourselves from each other, and socially this is the next step that we have to take in order to share this technique with you further. Every one of my clients gets a center point meditation exercise. This is something that's very important for me to give to my clients because it gives them relief, pain relief. And what I want you guys to know is that now we are here for you in the virtual world, in the virtual sector, so you guys can experience what the center point meditation fully is. I use the technique with people when they can't come to the office for an adjustment, for a chiropractic adjustment. Then they try the center point technique at home in order to relieve their pain and tension. And now I'm giving you guys an opportunity to experience this in the online platform. And I want Dr. Adrian to share with us his experience with it, with you, and then Joshua will also share his experience with you on why this is something that something for you to do at home, because there might be a situation now in the future where you're not going to be able to go see your chiropractor or your physical therapist or your psychologist because the current situation in the world is preventing that from happening. Okay, would you like to share?
Yeah. So I used to have an anxiety attack, and I arrived in the Netherlands 8 months ago, and so changing country, changing job, having to learn new language was a lot. And the center point meditation actually helped me lower the frequency of those anxiety attack, lower the intensity, and actually I'm still here, able to speak Dutch and to work here. So it really helped me in the management of these anxiety attack.
And for you, you've been doing the meditation technique with us for the last, 5-6 months now?
Something like that.
Yeah. And you as a psychologist practitioner, like how would you describe this as a technique for people to do at home? If they did this meditation online workshop, what would be the benefit?
Yeah, when we met, you relieved me of my pain within a minute. It was physical pain, but then I got to study it on the mental side of it, and it has many mental benefits for me also. And just to relax your mind in a certain way was really fast and really impact on whatever's bothering you at that moment. The stress level in a certain part of your brain is instantly cut, and you can just go back to being yourself again, zoom in, be zen, and stay there for a little while. And that's the break you really need right now.
Yeah. So in our online program, what we're doing is we've split our live workshop down into 4 online modules or videos. And included with this program is going to get 2 one-on-one training calls that we'll set up with myself. And then I'm going to be able to one-on-one train you how to do the center point technique yourself for pain management and stress management. It's very important if you're having high levels of stress and discomfort or pain that you have a solution for it. And we are here to help give you that solution via this online meditation program. And also included in it will be the mind map, what we call the biofield mind map.
Yes.
And that's very useful for you. You've really enjoyed being able to use that.
Yes, of course. In my line of profession, I use it to do a reverse diagnose. In the mind map, I can see where the direction where the person is going through is the opposite direction of the brain that is overstressed. And that way I can really go really fast, really deep into what's wrong with this person on the deepest level, instead of breaking the surface every time with a big long conversation and then trying to pull out all the pins where it's coming from. Now I really know this direction he's going in, and the other side of the brain is overstressed. So I'm going to search in the area of PTSD or something else, what is on the mind map.
Yeah. So I'm inviting everybody to check out the website we have linked to this video we have. And due to the current situations that is occurring around the world, we're going to offer a half price discount on this workshop. So if you have any questions, everything is on the website for you to get in touch with us, and everything should be self-explanatory on the website. But if you do have any questions, please contact us, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the online virtual world. And I just want to wish everybody a great day, a great evening, depending on where you're at, and just everybody in this time, please stay relaxed. The days are going to get better and better as we go in the future. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.